But the only thing is, when I trained with Roger Gracie in a different sport, you get that same feeling with him, like the guy's just insanely heavy.
Pressure. Well, Roger, he's the greatest too. He's the greatest in his own sport. What makes a person unique is his style and his approach to his work. I always approach my craft very professionally, respectfully. I believe that if you're gonna be in this game, in this sport, you have to completely dedicate yourself to it.
But I think you had a deep understanding of how to break an opponent, both physically and psychologically, just looking at your style.
I've always been right there, always fighting for position. I just always had this thought in my head. My grandfather always told me, a dog that latches onto that one weak spot always wins. It's the same with a fighter. When you're fighting on pure instinct, you feel your opponent's weakness. You know where they're weak, and you have to keep pressing right there. For example, let's say I'm fighting Connor, right? His strengths are his striking, his timing, and his speed. His boxing. Why would I stand and strike with him? What am I supposed to do? I have to put pressure on his weak spot. So, that's what separates the fighters who reach success, the highest level of success, and become the best of the best. They know how to find an opponent's weakness and they pressure it relentlessly. So it all comes down to having the right strategy here.